Hello, dear. This is a video for you that will help you deal with assignments on Edmodo. The first thing we need to do is to go and find Edmodo. So I'm going to close this one and I'm going to open a new tab with a plus sign. And the website is www.edmodo.com. Once you go there, since I am already sorry, it shows you this one. I need to log in. So my information is already saved here. So for you, the information is the username is your email address, and the password is, as we said, the one we agreed on, Julie, but it's lowercase. You log in. Once you log in, this is the general website for Edmodo, but I need to go to my class. So this is my name. If you see here, it should show your name here. And then, of course, I need to select my class, which is ESOL for CNA. Once you select it, you're going to see the whole platform with everything I have posted regarding the CNA class. This is the video we talked about today. And we have each assignment has its own entry, and it has, if you see, like something called submission. Let's go to the previous assignments. So we have an assignment here for chapters 10, 11, and 12. So if you click in here, it says assignments or submissions, sorry. Oh no, that's a quiz, I'm sorry. Okay, I take it back. Chicken. This is the quiz. Yeah, sorry. So we have here CNA assignments for Anne, chapter 11. 9 people have turned in their assignments. If you click on submissions, you're going to see the 9 students who submitted their assignments. For each one, for you to have a look at what they did, I click on the assignments. A new window is going to open. And if you click on this Word document, it's going to open a new tab. So the best method to deal with it is if you want to provide feedback immediately, you can select the section and you can add a comment. What do I mean by that? So list 4 internal factors that are risk factors for falls: vision problems, muscles weakness, balance problems, low blood pressure. So if she is good, she's good. Let's go about the external factors: care equipment, IV pole, bed height, furniture out of place, wet and slippery bathtub or surfaces. This is really good. List 4 pieces of equipment in a healthcare facility used to prevent falls: bed and chair arms, bed rails, handrails, and wheel locks. If you decide to, for example, she made a mistake here. If you decide that she made a mistake, you can select the section itself, and if you see it, you can add a comment here. But if you want to write a general comment, for example, praising somebody's, like, for example, good job, you just, once you select the question, you can add a comment, and I would say good job, and you click here. So now the student, and here it's Mary Charlotte, she's going to see the comment. If there's a correction, the same thing, you select the section, for example, and you add a comment and you write the correction. This is one method. Another method is to, if you want, you can write the document, your comment here. For example, correction, or I want you to focus. I need you to focus on, once you finish everything is good, you can give a grade. So, for example, here, what's the grade? The total grade is at 100. And what does she deserve here? I'm sorry, I'm just going to grade it for you here. So what does she deserve? Does she deserve 100? If you give her 100, or if you give her 95, so you select 100 or 95, for example, and then you save a grade. Once you save it, the student will receive the grade and will receive all the comments you have provided. And if you made a mistake, for example, you realize that this was not the grade you wanted to give, if you click here, you can still edit the grade, and then you can save it. And really, that's it. If you want to go to the second person, you can go from here, or you can close this one and go to the second person. So Mary Charlotte is done now. See, her name is gone. You need to go to Yolanda. Now I have 2 documents. I don't know why. So she must have attached the document twice. Sometimes you see this window here open in a reading view. Okay, so the first attachment was a blank document, so which means I have to go to the second attachment. And we do exactly the same thing. So vision problems, mobility, confusion, disorientation, elimination, urine incontinence. So if she did a good job, what would I do? Just select the thing and new comment. Very good. And once you click here, you post the comment, and of course you keep reading. If she made a mistake, you select the mistake and you can write a note next to it. Once you're done, if you want to give an overall comment for the student to pay more attention on certain detail, you can write the comment here. This is a final grade, and once you save, you're going to see. Let me just keep reading. External factors: bed height, no handrails, floors wet slippery, care equipment, poles, drainage bags possible. Yeah, I know that you want them to focus more on clutter, throw rugs and these things. You can add this here if you want. And the 4 pieces of equipment, bed, and I think this is floor cushion, bed rails. And as we said, if you want to give her a grade, I would go 100 from here, and then you give, for example, 95. I don't know, maybe if you decide to give her like a higher grade, you can definitely do that. And once you save the document, that's it. Really, that's it. We deal with all homework. You will see now her name should disappear. Yes, see, like we have already graded 2 and you still have a few more. Let me know if this is enough. If not, I can help recording another video. Yeah, wish you all the best. Thank you.